Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to breathe new life into your photography projects, or you're just looking for a quick and easy way to add music to a photo slideshow, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add free music to your photography in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to turn any set of photos into a lively, shareable presentation with a great soundtrack, all for free and in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. Start by hopping over to Canva. Just open your browser and head to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, it's free to sign up, and trust me, it's worth it for all the creative tools you get. Once you're in, look for the big purple Create a Design button. It's usually right up at the top of the homepage. Go ahead and click it. There are a ton of options here, but for this tutorial, we're going to stick with presentation. This choice is perfect for showcasing a series of photos, almost like a digital photo album, and it makes adding music super straightforward. After selecting Presentation, Canva will prompt you to choose a template, and here, where the fun really starts. Don't stress too much about which template to pick, just select one that catches your eye. Think of it as the visual frame for your photos. You can always customize the details later, so just go with something that feels right for your project. If you're not sure, pick a simple layout. Sometimes less is more, especially when you want your photos to be the main focus. Now let's bring some sound into the mix. Head over to the Elements tab on the left-hand side of your screen. In the search bar, type Free Music. This tells Canva that you're only interested in the tracks that are completely free to use, so there's no need to worry about any paywalls or copyright issues. You'll see a list of music tracks, a mix of different moods and styles. Take your time here and click through a few to preview them. Is your slideshow upbeat and energetic? Or maybe it's more calm and reflective. Pick a track that matches the vibe of your photos. Don't be afraid to try a few. This is your project, so choose what feels right. Once you've found a music track you love, it's time to add it to your presentation. Simply click the track and you'll see it appear below your slides in a timeline view. Here's an important step. Click and drag the end of the song's audio track so that it matches the duration of your slides. If your presentation is 2 minutes long but the song is 4, just shorten the music to fit your project. Conversely, if your song's a bit short, you might want to loop it or adjust the order of your slides. Take your time here. Getting the audio length right ensures your music doesn't cut off too early or go on uncomfortably after the slides end. It's a small detail, but it really makes the whole thing feel polished. And that's honestly it. With just a few clicks, you've completely transformed your photo presentation by adding a dynamic musical background. At this point, you can preview your project, see how the music flows with your slides, and make any last tweaks you want. Maybe adjust the volume or swap out your track if you change your mind. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want more tips for using Canva or creating digital projects, drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Happy creating, and I'll see you in the next one.